At Hyundai, we care about our customers. We want them to have the ideal hassle-free and smooth driving experience. That's why we are constantly working to innovate technology and solutions that make their life easier. One of these solutions is extended warranty. Extended warranty from Hyundai is an industry-leading car care package that helps to extend the manufacturer's warranty by up to 7 years, securing the car against unforeseen breakdowns and repair bills. At Hyundai, we provide various extended warranty packages to suit the needs of every customer, covering almost all mechanical and electrical items like engine, transmission, ECM, sensors, and more. The major benefits of extended warranty are free repair or replacement of components by Hyundai's trained and advanced technicians. The assurance of genuine spare parts can be availed at any Hyundai dealership across India. A protective shield for your car, better resale value for your Hyundai. And all this starts at just 10 paisa per kilometer. To avail the extended warranty for your Hyundai, your car needs to be under the basic warranty period. You can easily avail the extended warranty at discounted prices if you buy it within 3 months from your car's delivery. And all you need to do is visit your nearest dealership. It's that easy. So, get your peace of mind while you drive. Opt for extended warranty from Hyundai.